We've had about twice the normal rainfall this June, and my garden is finally starting to show it. This cabbage split overnight, and now I'm wondering what all this rain is doing to my garlic.
When you get a lot of rain, sometimes the inner leaves can absorb more water and swell faster than the outer leaves can stretch. What'll happen is it'll split. Now, it's still good, it's not rotten, but it does mean harvest day is today.
We'll just cut this off, leaving the outer tough leaves.
So let's take this inside, get it cleaned up, and we'll have it for dinner.
Now, garlic responds to water a little bit differently. So one concern with garlic is prolonged exposure to wet soil can cause rot. Now, these are in deep beds, about 18 inches deep. Now, I'm hoping they're still in good shape because this is going to drain much better than a shallower raised bed, or even more so than my native soil. So let's take a look. Keep our fingers crossed. I'm going to pull one just to see how we're doing. And that'll tell me whether I'm lifting the whole crop or if I'm going to give them a couple more days.
Now this soil is damp, but it's not wet. So that's a good sign right there. But let's see. Sometimes they don't want to let go, so you don't want to pull them. I don't want to break it off. So this one's in pretty good shape. It's bulbing up. I think it can go a little bit longer. I'm not going to be too worried about these now because the soil is damp, but even down here, it's not wet. I'm going to let these go another, however long it takes to brown up a couple more of these, and we should be good to go. I'm pretty happy to see the condition. You know, one thing gardening teaches us is that we don't control the weather, but we can respond and react to what nature gives us. And if that means harvesting a split cabbage before we intended to, that's okay. Or if it means lifting one garlic bulb to take a look and see what the status is, that's also okay. I think that's one of the things I really enjoy about gardening is it forces you to pay attention and then to respond to what's happening in the world around you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time in the garden.